How to use Vanilla gift card or Walmart gift card on Walmart online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can use a vanilla gift card on Walmart, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now I'm assuming you have a vanilla gift card. You want to use it on the Walmart site. The way you can use a vanilla gift card is by selecting either credit or debit card as a payment method, and you should not select gift card. Now for this, first of all, we're going to check the balance of our gift card on vanilla. So you go to balance.vanillagift.com. so when you go to balance.vanillagift.com, I'll make sure to drop this link. If you haven't already activated your card, you can enter the card number and then tap the continue option here to fill in the details, and then check your card balance and also your activated if you haven't done so. Once you have activated and checked that you have enough balance on your vanilla gift card, you can go to the Walmart site and you'll just go to the checkout process, right? So what you want to do is go to the checkout page. When you're on the checkout page for a specific product, here you can see payment method, and this is where you want to enter your vanilla gift card on Walmart. So you should not select gift card option and whatever other options you have here, but right in this option where it says pay with card, you have to make sure to enter your gift card code, or you can choose to scan a new card. Once you do that, then tap the continue option, and if there is enough balance in it, then you will be able to use your vanilla gift card or Walmart gift card. This way you should be able to go ahead and then actually use your vanilla gift card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.